Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a cherry blossom village, guiding you through each step. First, let's plan. Find a spacious area in your world, perhaps a flat plain or a gentle hill to begin your project. Gather your core materials, including plenty of pink wool for blossoms, different wood types for structures, and saplings for trees. Take a moment to sketch out your village layout, deciding where paths will wind and buildings will stand. Think about a central feature, like a magnificent cherry tree or a tranquil pond, to anchor your design. Now, let's bring your village to life by constructing its buildings. Start with houses, using light-colored blocks like quartz or birch wood, and incorporate delicate pink wool or terracotta for accents. Don't just build homes, consider unique structures like a traditional tea house with a curved roof or a small, elegant shrine. Remember to add plenty of windows and doors to make each building feel welcoming. Vary the sizes and styles of your structures to create a dynamic and visually appealing village, avoiding a monotonous look. With your buildings in place, it's time for the iconic landscaping, especially the cherry trees. Plant dozens of them, using pink wool for their beautiful blossoms or crafting custom tree designs for a unique touch. Lay down winding paths using materials like stone, gravel, or even custom textures to guide visitors through your village. Introduce serene water features such as small streams, decorative ponds, or gentle waterfalls. Finally, place lanterns, comfortable benches, and elegant bridges to complete the peaceful and picturesque atmosphere of your cherry blossom village. To truly complete your cherry blossom village, focus on the small, intricate details. Add decorative elements like flower pots filled with pink blooms, charming fences, and custom banners to personalize your spaces. Ensure the village is beautifully illuminated for nighttime by strategically placing hidden glowstone or elegant sea lanterns. Bring your village to life by populating it with friendly villagers or custom non-player characters, making it feel inhabited and vibrant. Finally, take a step back, review your entire creation, and make any last-minute adjustments to achieve absolute perfection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.